Shifting our focus to this breaking development that we are now reporting of, the Shahi Imam Bukhari now has stoked controversy with his latest statement. He's written to the Pak Prime Minister. He's urging Nawaz Sharif now to talk to Hurriyat leaders. He's also appealing to the youth to drop arms. Many would say that this is the most controversial statement that we've heard. This is Imam Bukhari's Pak leanings, where he's writing now to the Pak Prime Minister to talk to the Hurriyat.
को जिस तरह से बदनाम किया जा रहा है वो ख़त्म होना चाहिए। बल्कि मैंने इसी को देखते हुए नवाज शरीफ साहब को ख़त लिखा कि वो अपने मनसब का और अपने इख्तियारात का इस्तेमाल करते हुए कश्मीर के जो हुर्रियत रहनुमा हैं उनसे बातचीत करें और जो लोग बंदूकें उठाए हुए हैं उनसे अपील करें कि वो अपने हथियारों को डालें और सीज़ फायर करें, क्योंकि तशद्दुद खून रेज़ी किसी मसले का हल नहीं है। अगर कश्मीर के मसले का हल चाहते हैं तो ज़रूरी है कि बातचीत का माहौल पैदा करें। जब तक आप कश्मीर के मसले के हल के लिए बैठेंगे नहीं तो कश्मीर के मसले का हल नहीं निकलेगा। कत्ल व खून और हथियारों से लैस होकर बेगुनाह लोगों को मारना ये किसी भी मसले का हल नहीं है। इसलिए मैं पाकिस्तानी हुकूमत से कहा है कि वो अपने इख्तियारात का और अपने रसूख का इस्तेमाल करते हुए इन लोगों से बातचीत करें। और मैं ये भी चाहूँगा कि अगर हुकूमत हिंद इजाज़त देती है तो मैं पाकिस्तान जाकर नवाज शरीफ साहब से बात करने के लिए तैयार हूँ।
So that is a comment, viewers, that you've now heard in totality. Let me also get in our colleague Aditya, who's reporting on that story. Aditya, another votary of Baatcheet. He believes Baatcheet se hi sara solution niklega. But who do you talk to? And who is he to tell us that, we should be talking to Pakistan?
Deepti, that's the main question. Who gave him the authority to, in fact, write that letter to Nawaz Sharif and, in fact, be a votary of dialogue at a time when Indian soldiers are getting martyred, they're sacrificing their life for the country, and not just them, but innocent Kashmiris have been targeted by Pakistan-backed terrorists. Why did he not condemn Pakistan-sponsored terrorism, all those terror groups like Lashkar-e-Toiba, and, in fact, say that religion has nothing to do with it? And it is only a terror state like Pakistan which is indulging in this. He would have perhaps got support from all ideologies and all religions and across the board if he had actually condemned Pakistan-sponsored terror and perhaps backed the government and backed India in its fight against terror. So clearly, a hypocritical letter that has been written by the Shahi Imam to the Pakistan Prime Minister, again, trying to push for a dialogue at a time when dialogue was not an option at all, because Pakistan-sponsored terror has been continuing. If you remember, just 2 days ago, Gopal Bagle, the spokesperson of the Ministry of External Affairs, has said that India has always been a votary of dialogue, but the dialogue can never happen till Pakistan shows its intent to fight terror. There hasn't been any kind of decisive action that we have witnessed in the recent times. And clearly, so there will be people, not just from the BJP.
Okay, Aditya, request.